If not, if someone is listening for the first time, there will be a big surprise and a big confusion for the first time. So I would like to give a warm and also a shocking welcome in terms of, since I will be speaking in terms of numbers. Okay, as Palni Master spoke, so he talked, what I understood is he spoke about the journey. So I understood where you're supposed to take a U-turn, and one that is one more thing he was pointing towards the visual part. So that was also I was able to understand. And remaining big words I was not able to understand. So here, even though I will be speaking in English, but it will not be heavy words. So very simple words. So let me not waste my time and yours time.
Manjunath sir, if you think it's required, Tamil translation is required, please let me know. Right? So if anything important you think.
No, wherever you feel it is heavy and also it needs to be translated, you can do that. And also, if people wants anything to be translated, they can put it in a chat box, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, you can see that. Then accordingly, you can do the translation. Not an issue. So everything will be in numbers. That too, it is in money. So hopefully, money has a single language. That's why I feel it should not be a confusion. Still, not an issue. Okay, this session actually I do it separately with my leaders and also separately for ACT and double leaders, and then I take it to director and above. So this session, what I'm presenting you is for a director and above. If someone is really interested, let's say from 13% and above, even for them also it is helpful because they can plan it in advance compared to going to director then restarting, or as Palni suggested, rather than going forward then taking a U-turn, you can start your journey from the day one if it is for a 13%. So today I'll be talking about, I have planned for three things. If time permits, I'll talk about the entire three parts. If not, then I will talk about two parts. Then the third part, I'll keep it aside. Okay, so first I will be talking about journey towards a lack of income. Even though yesterday Sharad must have captured it, so he must have talked about the four-leg working. So it is in terms of same way, but everything is in numbers with calculation, and what exactly you need to do, that will be covered in this session. Okay. And my plan is basically to build a team and develop a team. So my plan basically, after understanding the plan, I have not given any retailing plan. So in my plan session, I asked my leaders to come out of retailing and start building team or start developing a team. So this is the strategy. So retail sales is not a strategy for me. My strategy is team building. That is one clear picture to you. Many of my leaders, we have shifted them from retailing to team building. If someone is there from Hosur, even they will know. So there are a number of leaders. Even the person whom Palni is also calling, Sarika, she is also part of it. So she is also a retail queen whom we shifted to from retailing to team building or team development. Why? Very simple. Everyone talks about what? Passive income. Everyone talks about passive income, but the moment you say retailing is not a passive income, retailing is an active income. So as soon as you stop retailing, your active source of income stops. But once you start building a team, once you develop a team, then it becomes a passive income. And network marketing is all about building a team and developing that team and making it independent. So once you make any single person or make your team independent, where they are standing on their own, they are doing their business on their own, then it is easy for you. Then you can move to other leg, or else you can move to some other person where you can focus on, or else you can make him again an independent person. So what I have understood, what I'm also teaching is, okay, speaking Kannada or Tamil, okay, great. Okay, so this is where I have developed my strategy where we work towards making a person independent. So becoming a leader, it is their choice, or else it is left to their downline choice. So there is a different things which I speak directly. So sometimes it looks harsh, but it's not harsh. It is straightforward. Speak where whatever it is there in my mind or in my heart, I speak directly, irrespective of the person. So that my leaders have understood in Karnataka that whenever they come to Manjunath, it means they have come for a realistic and actual figures. So I am not a big motivator, and I am not a big trainer the way Palni does. I am not even equal to that. When it comes to training part, he's a master in that. So I don't do much of a training part. I do, as Palni said, I design some strategies according to the team requirement. So this is the first thing which I started 4 years back. Work towards passive income. Stop your active source of income, which is retailing in network marketing. So this is one thing, and the second statement, what it suggests is our present life is the result of our action in the past, which means if your position in 2021 the way it is a result of, let's say, the working of your 2017 or 2018 or 2019. 3 years back, whatever you have worked, the kind of efforts what you have put, not only in Modi Care, even in your personal life or your professional life, the effort what you have put in 3 years or 2 years back, what your result now. So this is what it says. Same way, if you want to change your future, which is 2024 or 2023 or 2025 also, you have to put your effort now. So if you put your effort now, the result will be taken, or you will get that result in 2024, maybe after 2 or 3 years. So this is why we have to work towards building or creating a passive source of income. So this is my takeaway for network marketing working method. And the strategy, or we have to say, this is one thing which I always focus on, creating a Lakpatis. This started in 2016 in Karnataka. We started giving a mission for Karnataka that we need to create this much of Lakpatis. So that's when we started, and we started aligning some strategies towards creating Lakpatis. Why? Because it's very simple. Our biggest and the very inspiring product is Azadi, or the financial freedom. So the company itself says our biggest product, or the unique product, or the biggest focused product is the Azadi, or the financial freedom. And even Samir sir also keep saying or keep asking us to how many Lakpatis have you created, how many lakh plus earners, how many 5 lakh plus earners are there in your state or in your region. That is the only question which Samir sir keep asking us. He will never ask how much of sales, how much of crore of business you are doing. He keep asking how many Lakpatis you have created in this financial year. So this is the language which he uses. So that's why even we are getting Lakpatis. So here I'm giving you a simple but very complicated in terms of numbers, a complete picture what you need to do, or what you have to do to go to a 1 lakh plus income, okay, in a span of 12 months. It can be given to 13% and above, but if he has to understand the basic part of the plan. Anyone knows these basic 10 types of income, whatever, whoever knows it, basic information on the plan, he should be able to understand this. And if we can give it to a director, it will be a real roadmap for a director. But anyone who, if you want to start quickly, as Palni suggested, so if someone wants to achieve something faster, so from 13%, this is your direction. Okay, I'm just switch off my camera so that you can have a complete picture of the screen. Okay, so if someone has a book and a paper, pen and a paper, or pen and a book, first you have to draw this table. If someone has a book, just draw these lines. Meanwhile, I'll just switch off my mobile and switch off my camera. Then, Palni, if you want to translate in between, you can do that now.
Sure. So my dear friends, இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் நம்ம முக்கியமான விஷயங்கள் மஞ்சுநாத் அவர்கள் நமக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணது என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, அவர் எதை நோக்கி பயணம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஒரு 4 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய விஷயம், நமக்கு செல்ஃபி ஷேர் ஸ்பான்சர்னு ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க. அதுல நம் ஆசாதியை நோக்கி நம்ம பயணம் பண்றதுக்கு உண்டான விஷயம் சொல்றாங்க. பொருளாதார சுதந்திரத்தை நோக்கி ஒரு பயணம். பரிவர்த்தனை நம்ம ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லுவோம், ஆக்டிவ் இன்கம் பாசிவ் இன்கம் பத்தி நம்ம சொல்லிக்கிட்டு இருந்தோம். கரெக்டா? சோ அவர் பார்த்த ஒரு விஷயம் என்னன்னா, ரீட்டைல் ப்ராஃபிட் பத்தி அவர் அதிகமா கன்சிடர் பண்ணி சொல்லுவது இல்லை. ரைட்? ஏன்னா ரீட்டைல்ங்கிறது ஆக்சுவலி பார்க்க போனா ஒரு ஆக்டிவ் இன்கம் மட்டுமே. ரைட்? நம்ம எவ்வளவு நாள் ஆக்டிவா இருக்கிறோமோ அந்த பொருட்கள் நம்ம போய் விற்பனை பண்ண போறோம். சரிங்களா? பட் நெட்வொர்க் மார்க்கெட்டிங்ல நம்ம இருக்கிறோம் அல்லது ஒரு டைரக்ட் செல்லிங் கம்பெனில நம்ம இருக்கிறோம்னா, அது நம்ம எதை நோக்கி நம்ம பயணம் பண்றோம்? பாசிவ் இன்கம் நோக்கி தான் பயணம் பண்றோம். ஆமாவா இல்லையா? சோ அந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தை தான் அவர் எப்பயுமே டீம் பில்டிங்கை பத்தி தான் அவர் அதிகமா நமக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்து கொண்டு இருக்கிறாரு. அது இன்றைக்கும் அதுதான் இருக்க போகுது. அது மட்டும் இல்லாம எதை நோக்கி பயணம் பண்ணணும்னு ஒரு 12 மாசத்துக்குள்ள ஒரு பிளான் வச்சிருக்குது. அது 1 லட்சம் ரூபாய் நம்ம எப்படி ஏர்ன் பண்றது. நேற்றுக்கு நமக்கு சரத் சௌத்ரி அவர்கள் ஒரு விஷயத்தை காமிச்சாங்க. அதோட அடுத்த கட்டத்துக்குண்டான ஒரு விஷயம் தான் இன்னும் கிளாரிட்டியா தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு நமக்கு இந்த ஒரு வாய்ப்பு கிடைச்சிருக்குது. நம்ம பண்ண வேண்டியது, இந்த சார்ட்டை நீங்க அழகா நீங்க வரைஞ்சு வச்சுக்கீங்க. அதுக்கு தகுந்தாப்புல ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் மஞ்சுநாத் அவர்கள் நமக்கு சொல்லி கொடுக்க போறாரு. ஓவர் டு யூ மஞ்சு சார்.
Yes, thank you, Pradesh. Okay, this is a plan for 12 months. So since we are in July month, so we are planning it up to June 2022. Okay, we are taking 12 months of time. So in this 12 months of time, if anyone who is already a director plus, so if you have to become a lakh of income, if you have to cross your 1 lakh plus income, so what you supposed to do? So you have to plan, then you have to plan it in a reverse gear, or else we say put it in a reverse gear mode. This is what we call it as a reverse engineering. So where you supposed to reach, put that first, then come backwards. The planning has to be backwards, not forward way when it comes to achievement. So first you design your goal. So this is our goal. What is our goal? So 1 lakh income, in reaching it in 12 months of time. So most of the time, actually, I do this session in December or January month. So since it's mid of the year, so I have changed my wording, that's all. So this, if someone can do it in December or Jan, it gives a big results. This I have seen it many a time with many of our leaders. So I just show them the picture, what they need to do, then they start doing it, or they will find out how to do it. So this aligning what and all is required to do, or required to cross 1 lakh plus income. So this is our goal. So whoever is earning, let's say even 5,000 and below, they can reach to 1 lakh income. So if anyone who is sitting here, even if it is 13%, if you can plan it perfectly, if you can put your efforts in a right direction, in next 12 months, you can reach 1 lakh. There are many leaders who have reached this 1 lakh barrier in a span of 12 months. So I have a big record who has crossed 1 lakh income in a span of 7 months. Okay, so this is the direction. Basically, the effort has to be yours. I'm just showing you the direction. So without efforts, it will not come. So this is a 1 lakh income goal. As per our plan, our direction is Platinum Director with 1 lakh. Why Platinum? Because 80% of our leaders who have taken 1 lakh plus income, not only in Karnataka, we can also see all India records. First month or the first time where they have crossed their 1 lakh income, if you see their title, it is Platinum Director. 80% of the leaders, their first 1 lakh income, they cross it with one Platinum Director title. There is a very rare case where they do it from SCD or Presidential Director. There are many chances, so even after crossing crown, they don't earn 1 lakh plus income. But there are many leaders who have earned 1 lakh income even in SCD title, and many leaders who have earned 1 lakh in Platinum Director. So your title has to reach Platinum Director. That's why even company keeps giving our offers in 4 lakh. If you see last Goa trip qualification, that was in 4 lakh. Last year, if you see, again it was in 4 lakh. So last 5 years, if you see the records up to 2021, all your offers is given in 4 lakh. Okay, this is why you start building your 4 lakh or 6 lakhs. And if you have to reach your Platinum Director, as I already suggested, you have to cut down your retailing and you have to start focusing on your team. Why I have to keep saying like this? The minute you increase your PBV, let's say if you make this 10,000, so you have a product worth 20,000. So you have to sell your 20,000 rupees worth product. That means you have to spend your limited time either to sell your product, or the same time you can invest the time to develop a team, make a team independent, make one person independent. So you have your limited time. You have to decide whether to give my time to my team or should I start selling it. So this is why I don't focus on retailing, and this is why I don't suggest many of my leaders not to push retailing in a big way. It is required in an initial stage, but not in the later stage. When it is not required in the later stage, why to spend time, why to waste my time in the beginning? So this is my funda. So that's why I keep my plan with only 2000 BV, max to max. If someone wants to do more than that, it is their wish. But my plan is only with the 2000 BV. And if you have to cross 1 lakh income, you just require only 7 lakh BV. 7 to 8 lakh, that is good enough. So within 7 to 8 lakh BV, you can earn a minimum of 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh rupees of income. So this is what you require. To reach 7 lakh, how many consultant you require? This is definitely you have to plan it. So how do you calculate? So for this, I have a formulas. So for everything, actually, I put a formula. Not only here, many of the strategy, the way I work more with the numbers. So wherever my leaders sit with me, so I give them a formula and in a logical way. So even for active consultant and even to reach a GBV, I have a very simple formula, that is the GBV should be divided with 1500 PBV. Why this 1500 PBV? That because I was focusing loyalty customers. I focus loyalty customer. This is one of my biggest strategies. The moment we got our loyalty plus in 2017, we started working on loyalty, and it has given a big results. Even the kind of growth what we have with focused on loyalty. So it is seen across Karnataka that many of our leaders push loyalty. So loyalty for me, it is anything purchase of 3,000 rupees. I don't go for 2,500. Why? Because at 3,000 you will get either 2 offers or 1 offer for 3,000 rupees. That's why I push them to 3,000. So 3,000 again. One more thing is for me, it is calculation becomes easier with 3,000, and also with 1,500 BV. Anyone who does a 1,500 BV, even if it is a 7%, he will get his or check will be released from the company. The moment it crosses 1,500, at 7%, it becomes 105 rupees. So most of the people should know, company issues income only and when it crosses 100 rupees. Any income which is below 100 rupees, company will not issue the check in that month. It will be kept on hold. If you are a new joinee, if you joined in July month, and if you do 1,500 BV, you will get minimum 105 rupees assured in August month. So this is why my funda 1,500. Any joinee, make sure he crosses 1,500, and the first month he has to get his check to motivate him, and also even for the upline it becomes easier. So we require 7 lakh BV with 1,500 focus. we require approximately close to 500 consultant. To be precise, it is 467 consultant. So if you have your calculator, you can do that. 7 lakh divided by 1500, it is 467. So you can also round off and keep it as 500. Okay, so this is what you require. Suppose if you reduce this PBV with let's say 1300, your active consultant goes up. And if you say, sir, I'll make sure all my consultant do 2000 BV, so I'll be very glad to see how many people will do more than 2000 BV consistently. No matter whatever you say, 80% of the consultant will not do 1000 BV also. I can put my bet on that. With any leaders, you can get more than 2000 BV with very few consultant, not with big consultant base. That's why even 1500 is also average purchase, not much. Okay, so this is your formula. If anyone wants to take a screenshot, I will give you a time. Don't worry, or else I will also, if Palni requires this poster, I will send him a poster. So you don't have to take a screenshot. Make sure you understand. I will tell you when to take a screenshot once the entire thing is complete. Then I will tell you to take a screenshot. Till then, try to understand this because everything is in numbers. Our mind doesn't understand numbers. Our mind understands only colors or images. Numbers, it will not go to our head so easily. So presently, let's say if you are a 13% or a director and you don't have not even 20 customer base or not even 20 consultant in your team, how do you bring remaining consultant with only new joinees? So if you have to go to 500 active consultant base and if you are sitting at 20, so that means in a span of 12 months, you need to recruit or else you need to get minimum 480 consultant to your team. That too, they have to purchase minimum of 2,500 rupees purchase. Correct? So for that, one more formula. So this is the very simple formula. Suppose if you know where you need to go and if you know the present consultant base, so you just need to minus your present consultant base from the active consultant base. That means in your book you can write down. So this is how you can, if you have a book, you can write down 500 minus 20. So whatever comes, that becomes your annual target of new joinees. Okay. So why I'm giving in numbers, it make your direction clearer. Even to my leaders, it makes them clear understanding what they're supposed to target. Everyone now knows that they have to get new joinees to business growth, but how much new joinee they need to bring in and how many of them need to purchase in that new joinee, they need to know that. So you have to give a clear-cut specific target to your brand. That's when it works. So this is why we give clear specific target. If you can bring this much of new joinee in a span of this much of month, you should be able to reach your required BV. Once you get your BV with a good title, then you will get your income. So this is our formula. So assuming we require 467 active consultant, and presently I am only with 20 consultant, even if I am a director. Suppose if it is 10, then it will go up. So then my new joinee target per month is 37 per month. So here most of the people will say, sir, 37 people per month. How is it possible? Don't worry, I have a formula. I have a strategy for getting this 37. new joinee, not in the first month, not in the second month, maybe after third month or sixth month. Okay, how do you need to plan that? So our business is depending on multiplication, or our business is what do you say, the how do you say that word? It is in terms of multiplication. Okay, so I'm not getting that word. I'll tell you. So let's say today, this month, you have got 5 new joinees. Yes, compounding. Correct. Thank you, also. Okay, so that's correct. It is a business of compounding. So this month, if you are sponsor, let's say 3 or 5. So the moment after 2 months or 3 months, if 1 or 2 people start working under you, they will also start getting 5 people under you. So that becomes 15. So again, in terms of compounding, again, let's say after 3 months or after 5 months, if you are able to get 5 new joinees who are able to work and focus on income, after 5 months, all of your 5 new joinees along with you will start getting 30 to 40 new joinees per month. This is how the compounding will give you result in a span of 12 months. So you don't have to target 37 new joinees from the first month. We are looking at 12 months of target. Okay, so this I'm keeping. So new journey target for entire year, I'm keeping it blank. It is depending on your active consultant base minus the present consultant what you have. So whatever it comes, that will be your target for 12 months. But how many frontlines you need to put every month? So this is a network marketing formula, which I have understood not only with my leaders working, by studying different leaders in the books or else even in the Google. A very simple formula for a great networker is keep sponsoring every month. So you have to sponsor minimum 2 to 4 people every month. Okay. So your target has to be every month you have to sponsor minimum 4. How long you need to sponsor till you become Crown Diamond Director? Why Crown Diamond Director? That's where you earn your complete 62% of income from the plan. After that, you need to jump, that you need to take a call. So from company, we want all of our consultant to reach 62% income level. That's why we recommend go for Crown Diamond Director. After that, is your choice. Yes, 4 frontline per month. Or else, I would say rather than 4 frontline, I would recommend start sponsoring 4 people per month. They have to be placed. All of them can't be your frontline only. My one more strategy is you need to have only 20 frontlines. After all the sponsor, you are done 20 plus. Further new joinee has to be placed under this 20. This is my experience with the leaders. Because to go for a GBD, you just require 14 legs. So there is no point having 50 front lines, 100 front lines. That might give you APB, but it will not help you to keep your title. That's why this is one more my experience where I would suggest just have 20 front lines. After that, keep sponsoring, but place them under different lines within the 20 legs. Okay. So after that, to go for a platinum director, you need to have more number of directors. How many directors you need? For that, again, I have got one more formula. Divide your GBV with 40,000 PGBV. So this is one more target for my director and above, where I keep asking them to focus on 40,000. If Palini remembers, I've got more number of qualifiers for trips or any kind of offers which we give it from director and above. Why? Because from last 4 years, we have been telling them to focus on 40,000 plus PGBV. The moment a director does 40,000, in the present plan, he or she will earn something somewhere around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees income. So if a director earns 5,000 to 6,000 income per month, for me, it is easy for him to motivate and go towards 25,000 income per month in a span of 3 to 4 months, and take him or take her to reach 1 lakh income in a span of 12 months. If someone doesn't even do 4,000 PGBV and I can't push them for going for 40,000 and also go for 1 lakh income. So this I have clearly seen. So this is for all the director and above, whoever are there in this session, you have to go for 40 to 50,000 PGBV every month till you become a car fund qualifier. Okay. After that, your PGBV might go up to 25,000 to 30,000. The moment you become a SCD or a platinum, obviously you have to spend your time for team development. So that's when your PGBV comes down. So it has to be 25 to 30,000 once you reach SCD or a platinum. Why? Again, you have to reach your presidential and crown diamond director. That's why this is your formula, or this has to be a director or SD or even executive director target to do 40,000 PGBV every month till you become SCD. Okay. So in this way, the target will be 18. Palni, do you require any translation if you want to explain?
No, it's okay. It's okay. You carry on.
Okay, 1 minute.
At the end, I'll do it.
Done. Okay, 1 minute.
ஸோ மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டது என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, இந்த சார்ட்ல தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டிய ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள், நம்ம பிளானிங் பண்றது எப்படி இருக்க வேண்டியது. இப்போ ஒரு வருஷம் பிளான் பண்றோம்னா ஜூன் மாசம் 2022 என்னோட இன்கம் 1 லட்சம் ரூபாய் இருக்கணும். ஸோ இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம இப்ப இருக்கிறது எந்த மாதத்துல இருக்கிறோம்? நம்ம ஜூலை மாதத்துல இருக்கிறோம். ஸோ ஒரு வருஷம் கடந்ததுக்கு ஜூன் 2022 நம்மளோட இன்கம் 1 லட்சம் இருக்கணும்னா என்னெல்லாம் தேவை இருக்குது, அதை நம்ம ஆயத்தமாகிக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அவசியமான ஒரு விஷயம். சோ இந்த சார்ட் பிரகாரம் பார்க்கும்போது மஞ்சுநாத் அவர்கள் சொல்றது, ஒரு பிளாட்டினம் இருக்கிறவரே 1 லட்சம் ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்கிறதுக்கு உண்டான ஒரு அழகான ஒரு வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஒரு பிளாட்டினம் 4 லட்சம் 5 லட்சம் சம்பாதிக்கிறவங்களும் இருக்கிறாங்க. ஒரு எஸ்சிடியே 1 லட்சம் ரூபாய்க்கு மேல சம்பாதிக்கிறவங்க இருக்கிறாங்க, 2 லட்சம் சம்பாதிக்கிறவங்களும் இருக்கிறாங்க. பட் இங்க ஒரு உதாரணத்துக்கு அவர் காமிச்சிருக்கிறாரு. இது வந்து அழகான ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். ஏன்னா கம்பெனி எல்லாமே 4 லெக் பத்தி தான் பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க, எல்லா ஆஃபர்ஸும் வருது. ஸோ அந்த டைட்டில் படி பார்த்தோம்னா பிளாட்டினம் குள்ளது சொல்றாங்க. அவர் இன்னொரு விஷயம் சொல்றாரு, அதிகமா வாங்குறதை விட 2000 GB பர்சனல் பிவி பண்றது கால சிறந்தது. 2000 ரூபாய்க்கு 2000 பிவி 4000 ரூபாய்க்கு அப்ராக்சிமேட்லி வாங்குறது. இப்ப நமக்கு 1 லட்சம் ரூபாய் சம்பாதிக்கணும்னா 7 லட்சம் ஜிபிபி தேவைப்படுது. அதுக்கு ஆக்டிவ் கன்சல்டன்ஸ் தேவைப்படுறது. அது டிவைட் பண்ணி காமிச்சிருக்கிற 467 பேர் தேவைப்படுது. அரௌண்டா நீங்க 500 பண்ணிக்கலாம். சோ இப்ப நம்மள்ட்ட எத்தனை பேர் ஆக்டிவா இருக்கிறாங்க, தட் மைனஸ் இது பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு நியூ ஜாயினர்ஸ் எத்தனை பேர் தேவைப்படும் உங்களுக்கு கிளாரிட்டியே கிடைச்சிடும். அதுக்கு அடுத்தது ஃப்ரண்ட் லைன்ஸ் பத்தி அவங்க சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. ஃப்ரண்ட் லைன்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம மாதம் நாம 4 பேர் இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ண வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அவசியம். அவர் சொல்றது 20 பேர் வரைக்கும் நம்ம பண்ணிட்டோம்னா போதுமான அளவு ஹெல்தியா இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க பண்றது கீழே வரைக்கும் போகலாம். இது ஃப்ரண்ட் லைன்ஸ் என்ட்ரி எப்போ வரைக்கும் நம்ம பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறோம்? CDD வரைக்கும். ரைட். அடுத்தது அவர் சொல்றது என்னன்னா, நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஆக்டிவ் டைரக்டர்ஸ் தேவைப்படுறது எவ்வளவு தேவைப்படும். அவர் கணக்குல எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்கன்னா 40,000 PGBV தேவைப்படுற ஒரு விஷயம் ஒரு டைரக்டரா இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அவசியம். சோ அந்த கணக்கு படி பார்த்தோம்னா 7 லட்சம் பிவி வரணும்னா கிட்டத்தட்ட 18 டைரக்டர்ஸ் 40,000 GBV தேவைப்படும் PGBV. Over to you, Manju.
Thanks, Pradesh. So this is where you can target around 18 to 20 active directors. When I say active consultant, active director, anyone who does their own PGBV on their own. So this is my active director definition. If someone is getting his title with a roll-up, I would not consider him as an active, even though he or she might have got the title, but I would say they're not active in terms of working in their team. So to reach 7 lakh GBV, you need to have ideally more than 20 plus director and above title holders, and who does their own PGBV. actual original PGBV. So average PGBV, the target what I keep is 40 to 50,000. The company might ask 33,750. It is just pass. So in my example, I keep saying anyone who does only 33,750 or 34,000 BV, they are like in our exam, the way they have kept 35%. It's a passing mark. Same way, if you do only 33,750, you are just pass. So you are an average student. So you are an average networker, I would say. So if you are doing 40,000 to 50,000 PGBV, then I would say you are in first class grade. So if anyone does 50,000, 60,000 PGBV, then you are a distinction student or distinction networker. If someone is able to do 70,000 PGBV, for me is a rank student or a rank networker. Okay, so this is how I have classified my own leaders or as my own director and above, and I tell them directly. So you have to focus. If you are not working, then you will not get your income. And also there is one more strategy which has worked tremendously for last 2 years for Karnataka. So many of the leaders will know. We have more number of DP openings in Karnataka. So this was one of our strategy for 2 years. And in terms of DPs, this is the strategy. If you want to reach 7 lakh, you need to target at least 4 or 5 DPs in your team. So how to target DPs? So for that, I require separate time. So you just plan for opening DPs. The moment you open a DP, they will give you new joinees. Spreading words or getting customers, especially connecting loyalty customers, will become easier. Open more DPs, create more customers. So all your new customers are nothing but your active consultant base. So this is how you can reach your 467. This is one of the strategies. So get DPs, get more new joinees. These are the very two simple strategies which we connect. Connecting to new joinees, we ask them to connect to loyalty so that they remain with us for a longer time. So even home meeting, initially I used to mention home meeting. Now through this online, through the lockdown period, we can't do home meeting. But now I start giving them a direction how to do home meeting through online. So from last 3 months, we have started educating them how to do home meeting in a online. In a Zoom platform, you can do that. So that also you can input personally. Anyone who is really serious and really wants to develop and take Modi Care network marketing as a business, then you have to start doing minimum 15 home meeting, either online or offline, per month. 15 per month is my target. That means three or four new home meeting per week. That's all. So you have to attend at least BOM or Parivartan, what we say, so that you have to do at least 4 per month. You have to attend at least 1 week. Per week, you have to attend one Parivartan session. And plan training, it can be Shuruat also, it can be the plan session the way we are doing. At least you have to do it twice a month. So these are all things you need to do to go for a 1 lakh income in a span of 12 months. These are all required. So then after planning for 12 months, we will break it to 6 months. So once we know our 1 year plan is our midterm plan. So after midterm plan, we reduce it to short-term plan. And also to place our strategy for next 6 months, these 12 months has to be broken to 6 months. So everyone might say, sir, once it is 1 lakh, then you have to just make it 50% in next 6 months. That's how it will not work, basically. So we are in terms of building our compounding business. It's a business of compounding. That's why even someone who is sitting at 30,000 income in December, he can reach to 1 lakh income in next 6 months. If someone is already sitting in 25,000 to 30,000 income in June, by December, you can become 1 lakh plus income. 1 lakh plus income earner. Okay, so at a higher end, I am giving 40,000. Even if you are 30,000 to 40,000 bracket, you can cross your 1 lakh in next 6 months. So if you have to reach 1 lakh income in June, by December, your income has to cross 40,000. To cross 40,000, even if you are at a executive director title, still you can reach 1 lakh income in 6 months. In executive director also, you have to do only 2,000 PBV max. And to reach 40,000 with a good plan, with 3 lakh in BV also, you can cross 40,000. I give them approximately 43 or 45,000 income with 3 lakh BV. I have a structure for that, and there are many leaders who have crossed even 60,000 income with executive director. And there is a lady who is 50 years plus, who is the downline of Sarika, who is coming very shortly with Palani station. She is 60 plus now, and she has somewhere around 60,000 plus with only executive director title. Okay, and she is a great lady, very energetic, even at 60 years. And to reach 3 lakh BV, you approximately require only 200 active consultants with a formula of 1500 loyalty customers base. Okay, same formula. Still, you have to keep sponsoring 4 new joinees per month. Okay, your sponsor, I would not say frontline, your direct sponsor has to be minimum 4. At 3 lakh, you need to reach minimum 7 plus director plus or director, senior director, executive director has to be there in your team. So the moment if you are executive director and if you have 7 people under you, it might be executive director, it might be a CD, not an issue. So title is not an issue. The main focus has to be new joinee and the active consultant. This is the main focus which you have to focus. How many active consultant you have? How many new joinees you are bringing? If you can target this, then all rest all figures are auto-connected or it will come automatically. The PGBV for director and above will remain same at 40,000 PGBV per month. And if you are executive director, if you can plan for 2 or 3 DPs in your team, it will be a great thing. So even 2 DPs with a volume of, let's say, 3 lakh plus 3 to 4 lakh. I have mentioned 5 lakh, keeping in my Karnataka state as target. So for Tamil Nadu, it might be 3 lakh also. Okay, so since Tamil Nadu has much scope for DPs, you can start with 3 lakh target here. So 5 lakh I'm targeting for Karnataka. That's why I mentioned 5 lakhs. So so this is the complete picture for your 1 lakh. If someone wants to take a screenshot of it, you can take it. So this is complete for this slide. So I will give you one more slide with a breakup of quarterly target or quarterly split target. So that also I will not going to explain you. So if you know how to calculate for 12 months and how to calculate for 6 months, again, if you can break it to 9 months also and even for 3 months also, you can break it up. Okay, so hopefully if you are I hope you have taken the screenshot. Even if you have not taken the screenshot, if someone wants it, still I'll send it to you separately via Palani. So if you are breaking it down to quarterly, so this is how it breaks. So all the formula remains the same. Okay, this is complete. So this also, if you want to take a screenshot, you can take that. So in next 3 months, if you can plan to reach 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh BV in 3 months, so you are in right direction. The way Palani suggested, there are milestones. These are the milestones. Okay, the first milestone has to be 10,000 plus income. Once you cross your 10,000, then aim for 25,000. Once you cross your 25,000, also I will give you one more example with my learnings from my leaders. The moment you get stuck at certain amount or certain title. So that means you have to start doing something different, or you have to add on some other strategies. Whatever you are working, it's not working, or it must have got outdated, or people are not getting motivated to get more business or jump their title. So start doing something different, or start doing the same thing in a differently. So that's all. So this is my learnings. So we keep experimenting different things with the different leaders as per the requirement of their own leaders. The path might change, but the direction will remain at the same thing. Create more Lakpatis and make them travel in a car. This is the motto what we carry. Travel in a car with 1 lakh plus income. This is how we work. So if someone is not got excited with 1 lakh, I will also give you 2 lakh income plan. So this actually I prepared it for a leader who wanted not 1 lakh plan, he wanted 2 lakh plan. So that's how I break it to 2 lakh plan with same title. So this was as per the requirement of the leader actually. And also since Sureka ma'am also started focusing on 2 lakh, that's when that leader asked me to give me a plan for 2 lakh. So that's how this was prepared. And I didn't change the title. I told them make your leg stronger. Okay. So you don't have to go to Crown Diamond to reach 2 lakh. You can reach 2 lakh with Platinum and also Presidential Director. Okay, so this is my strategy, or this is my working method. Only we have 5 to 10 minutes of time so that I can just show one strategy.
You have around 34 minutes more.
34 minutes. Oh. So I will take only 10 to 15 minutes of time. If someone has any question, I'll take it. Okay, now I'll give you what you need to do and why you need to do. I have already given this answer. My funda with my leaders is asking why question. I ask why questions 4 to 5 times. If any leader can answer me these 4 or 5 why questions correctly, then rather than me getting that answer, that leader will get an answer. So same thing you can apply with your any of the people. Start asking why, 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 why. So 4 or 5 times. Why? Because it is like cornering a person and push them towards where he wants to go. So does that person really require 1 lakh? Why does he require 1 lakh? Till he understand why he requires 1 lakh, he will not go forward, or he will not even come forward to put his effort towards earning 1 lakh. So that's why even I might have given the why one of the answer, go for 1 lakh, or I have answered only one why question. So you need to figure it out. Remaining 3 or 4 questions on why you have to reach 1 lakh plus income. The moment you identify why you need to cross 1 lakh income barrier or 1 lakh income target, I keep saying barrier. Why? Because many of the people get stuck. They think they can't reach 1 lakh. And I have got many examples in Karnataka, where even a simple lady or even a old lady, even person who can't sign on the check, they have crossed 1 lakh. Why? Because they got their why answered correctly, and that's why they were able to go and achieve their 1 lakh has become their goal rather than a barrier. And there is one more barrier for me now. I want to make all the 1 lakh plus earners to cross 3 lakh income now. So that's what we are working now. Our next target is make all 1 lakh plus earners to 3 lakh plus income earners. So this is my loyalty strategy. Okay. So what is the strategy? This strategy I give it for all the 10% and above, even 13%. This is the first stage of beginning your team. first simple strategy. Start adding 5 loyalty consultant every month. Very simple. You just need to add 5 loyalty customers every month. What will happen? So I am giving you complete vision, and what happens if you just start adding 5 loyalty customers every month in a span of 6 months. So I have told you 1 lakh income. How will you go to 1 lakh? That also I have to show you. So I'm giving you how. So this is one of the how factor. So assuming presently you have, this is for 13% or a director. Suppose if you are not a director, if you are not a 30%, or if you are just even a 10%, and if you have even 2 or 5 consultant who are doing loyalty, you can put that. Okay. Again, you don't have to take a screenshot. Again, I will tell you when to take a screenshot. Right now, just understand this logic. So you can have 2 to 5 consultant now, and start adding new joinee connecting to loyalty. Every month, only 5. Okay. So I have taken an example of 10 because, as I told you, this plan I give it to director. That's why I have taken at least he has 10 loyalty customer. He or she has 10 loyalty customer under him or under her. Okay. Then I will ask them to add 5 loyalty customer every month. So let's say, suppose if it is not a director, and if you are a 10% or a 13%, what happens? So first month you have added 15,000, then you have added another 5, then your active consultant has become 15, so your BV will be 22,500. Here the assumption, as I told you, is 1500 BV. So this is 1500 BV calculation. My 3,000 rupees package, simply put together, I can say this is a 3,000 rupees package. In third month also, again, I have added another 5. So I got 30,000 BV. I have added another 5, 25 people doing loyalty. I'll get 37,000. So in this way, even if you are a 10%, by 4th month, you will become a director. Not only that, you will become a director by doing actual PGBV required by the plan. Okay, very simple strategy. Keep adding 5 loyalty customers every month. I'm just saying loyalty customers because there is a differentiation between a customer and a consultant for me. Person who is focused to purchase a product is my customers, even though they might be having a MCA number. Person who has the MCA number but wants to earn income, wants to take Modica network marketing as a business, that person for me is a consultant. So for me, I have to drive him towards income. So this is the two bifurcation which I make in an MCA number. So that's why I'm saying customers. These are all my customers who wants products. So 4th month, you will become a director. 5th month, again, you will add another 5. You will do more than 40,000 PGBV. Again, 5th month, you will do another 5. You'll start doing more than 50,000 PGBV. Not frontline, it can be placed anywhere, Mr. Mahesh. As I told you, you need to have only maximum 20 front lines. And to begin with, you can place only 6 front lines. Once you have your 6 line, then if you want to add your sponsor, you can place them under 6 or under 4 as per your strategy. It can be 4, it can be 6, it can be 8 also. Now my plan is 4 plus 4. Create first 4, then work for another 4. Why? Because now we have to focus our crown diamond director with 8 lines. That's why 4 plus 4 is my working method. So by this way, you are able to go to director level, or else you can make your downline go to a director level for 4th month. Not only that, you will make sure that consultant earns decent 5 to 6,000 rupees income per month consistently for 4th month. Okay. So what will happen? So even my target is income. So what happens, suppose if you are able to get 2 people duplicating in every 3 months, okay, every 3 months, if you are able to add 2 people duplicating your own strategy. So that means first month you may not get anyone who is duplicating it. Second month you might not have anyone duplicating your strategy. Third month, if you get 2 people out of your 20 customers, so here you have got 20 customers. So only I'm saying only 10% of the chances where only 2 people wants to earn income the way you are earning. Then if they want to duplicate, what will happen? So in here you have got only 6. You are able to do 50,000, and from 4th month, if your 2 people also start duplicating your own strategy, how much GBV you got? You're able to get 1 lakh GBV in 6th month. Okay, same strategy. What you're doing, your 2 people will start duplicating from 4th month, not even from 3rd month. Okay, you got your 2 people in the 3rd month, but they will start executing your strategy from 4th month. Still, you are able to come up to a lakh of BV in 6th month. Okay, again the same thing. What if these 2 people also get their 2 people in the 3rd month? That means you have got 6 people duplicating your strategy. Here 2, another 4. If they are able to do it from 6th month, your total GBV is close to 1,30,000. Okay, these are all figures is in only 6th month. So I told you how to reach 7 lakh BV. So first 6 months, this is how you will reach your senior director level. So if you are able to get more number of people duplicating, fine, you'll have more BV, you'll have more income. So I have to tell you how much income also you earn. This is the income what you're going to earn in next 6 months. So if you are doing it alone,
Manjunath sir, that screenshot they have not taken.
I'll tell them. Okay, let me show them the income also. So if you are doing it alone, then your result is this 50,000 BV. If you are able to get 2 people duplicating, then you will get 1 lakh BV. If you are able to add 4 people duplicating in 6 months, again, you will be coming close to 1,50,000 BV, because you will also be working in other legs. So this is how you can reach somewhere around 1,30,000 BV to 1,50,000 BV. So this is one of the strategies. Okay. So now you can take the screenshot if you have understood the BV and the income part. So this strategy, I give it to even a 10%. How do you need to start a 10%? This is how that person has to start from the beginning. Add loyalty customers, start following up, make sure that customer doesn't fall behind the loyalty. Focus on loyalty, keep adding new loyalty every month. 5 customers doing loyalty every month. And someone says, even I would like to work for this business, and I would like to increase my income. Tell them to duplicate the same strategy. This is the one of the strategies. So very simple strategy, which I feel many of them are duplicated, and there are many examples who have got, if not great income, decent income they are able to get from this strategy. And this strategy has mainly worked for ladies. So that also I have to tell you directly. This strategy has mainly worked with more ladies. So this is the strategies. Okay. My second strategy was the DP strategy. Put DPs and create more customers, create more working people around that DP. How to put DP? Palni, should I give the DP plan also?
Yeah, if possible, sir.
So hope it will not be too much for them. Or else if you want to ask them, you can ask them.
we can do one thing, if possible, DP, can we do it in next part 2?
I will not mind.
Okay. ஸோ மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான விஷயம். நம்ம தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது என்னன்னா, நாம எத்தனை பேர் கூட நம்ம ஒர்க் பண்ண வேண்டியது, நமக்கு அந்த தெளிவு இருக்க வேண்டியது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அவசியம். ரைட். அவர் சொல்லிக் கொடுத்த மாதிரி, மஞ்சுநாத் சார் சொல்லிக் கொடுத்த மாதிரி, நம்ம ரிவர்ஸ்ல நம்ம வந்து கால்குலேஷன் பண்ண வேண்டியதா இருக்கும். ரிவர்ஸ் இன் த சென்ஸ், நாம அந்த இடத்த போய் அடையணும்னா, நான் எந்த இடத்துல இந்த மாதம் இருக்க வேண்டியதா இருக்கு, அடுத்த 3 மாதங்கள் என்ன இருக்கணும், 6 மாதத்துல என்ன இருக்கணும், அதுக்குண்டான ஒரு அழகான ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜி நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்கிறாங்க. சரிங்களா? சோ இதுல வந்து நம்ம 2 விதமா அவர் கொடுத்தாரு. ஒண்ணு வந்து கன்சல்டன்ட் பேஸ்ல பண்றது மூலியமா எப்படி வருது, இரண்டாவது ஒரு லாயல்டி பேஸ்ல நம்ம வந்து கொண்டு வரது மூலியமாவும் நம்ம எப்படி கொண்டு வரலாம், அடுத்தடுத்த கட்டத்துக்கு கொண்டு போகலாம். இன்ஃபேக்ட் 3வது விஷயம் அவர் சொல்லி கொடுத்தாரு, டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் பாயிண்ட் பத்தி ஒரு அழகா சொல்லி கொடுத்தாரு நமக்கு. சோ இந்த வெவ்வேறு கோணங்கள்ல நமக்கு புரிய வச்சிருந்தாரு. ரைட். சோ ஐ பிலீவ் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே புரிஞ்சிருக்கும் நான் நம்புறேன். இன்னும் மேலும் ஏதாச்சும் நீங்க அவர்கிட்ட கேட்கணும்னா, நீங்க வீடியோ ஆன் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னா நீங்க அவர்கிட்ட கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். யாராச்சும் கேட்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்களா? கை தூக்குனீங்கன்னா புரிய வரும். மிஸ்டர் ஆம்ப்ரோஸ், மிஸ்டர் செந்தில் சார், ஏதாச்சும் கேட்கணுமா அவர்கிட்ட? இன்னும் தெளிவு தேவைப்படுதா? தட்ஸ் இட். ஒண்ணு எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சிருக்கணும், இல்ல எல்லாம் மேல இருந்து போயிடுச்சு. எனிவேஸ், சோ இந்த ஒரு விஷயம் நீங்க
this is the kind of answer which even whenever I do, I get this. Either I'll get more number of questions, or else I will not get any answer, because everything is in numbers. Many people get confused.
So my dear friends, அவர் சொல்ல வர்றது என்னன்னா, ரிப்பீட்டட் இதுதான் இனிமே பேச போறோம். சரிங்களா? சோ இது உங்க சைடுல நீங்க பண்றீங்களோ இல்லையோ, நான் பண்ண போறேன். தட்ஸ் இட். ரைட். பட் டார்கெட் ஆடியன்ஸ் இருக்கணும். எல்லார்ட்டையும் நம்ம போய் பேசணும்னா இந்த லாங்குவேஜ் கண்டிப்பா புரியாது. அதுதான் மஞ்சுநாத் அவர்களும் சொல்றாரு. திஸ் லாங்குவேஜ், மணி லாங்குவேஜ் அல்லது நம்பர்ஸ் லாங்குவேஜ் எல்லாருக்கும் புரியாது. சப்கா சாத் சப்கா விகாஸ் will not happen, will never ever happen. Right. Right. So தில் இருக்கிறவன் தான் மோதிக்கர் ஜெயிக்க முடியும் நம்ம சொல்லி இருக்கிறோம். we know that, it's very clear. Right. மத்தவங்க எல்லாம் புல்லாங்குழல பி 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 ஆவாஸ் ஆயிடுங்க, சத்தம் நல்லா வரும், பட் 7 சுரங்கள் வரத்துக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் குறைவு. ரைட். சோ இந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தை நம்ம மஞ்சுநாத் அவர்கள்ட்ட நம்ம கத்துக்கிட்டோம். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் மஞ்சுநாத் சார், தேங்க்ஸ் அ லாட் ஃபார் கிவிங் யுவர் டைம். ரைட். டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் பாயிண்ட பத்தி நம்ம வந்து அடுத்த ஒரு செஷன்ல கண்டிப்பா அவர் நமக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண போறார். சி மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், அவர் ஒரு சில ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்டான பாயிண்ட் சொன்னாரு. ஆணி அடிச்ச மாதிரி சொன்னார். ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா சொன்னாரு. ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஃபார்வர்டா தான் என்னோட ஆன்சர். இட்ஸ் நாட் a rude. ஸ்ட்ரைட் ஃபார்வர்ட். இதுனா இதுதான். Black means it's black. White means it's white. There is nothing called as gray. Between gray, nothing is there. White or black. Right? If you think it's straightforward answer, it's a straightforward answer. Right? To the point. To the point. Right? So my dear friends, தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது நாம இங்க எதுக்காக இருக்கிறோம், மோதிக்கேர நம்ம இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி எதுக்காக எடுத்திருக்கோம். ரைட். இந்த கிளாரிட்டி நமக்கு இருக்கணும்னு நான் முழுமையா நம்புறேன். ஆசாதி, பொருளாதார சுதந்திரம். கரெக்டா? சோ அதுக்கு நமக்கு என்னெல்லாம் வேண்டும்னு நமக்கு அழகா மஞ்சுநாத் அவர்கள் நமக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாரு. ரைட். அடுத்த ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம்ல இன்னைக்கு யாரெல்லாம் மிஸ் பண்ணிருக்கிறாங்களோ, கான் இஸ் கான், தட் இஸ் ஓகே. ரைட். பட் நீங்க கத்துக்கிட்ட விஷயத்த எல்லார்ட்டையும் சொல்ல நினைச்சீங்கன்னா இட் வில் நாட் ஒர்க். இட்ஸ் அ சீக்ரெட் மை டியர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். இட்ஸ் அ சீக்ரெட். இட்ஸ் அ ரெசிபி. ரைட். நீங்க எல்லார்ட்டையும் போய் கொடுக்கணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா, இப்ப பாருங்களேன், we started the Zoom with how many people, and now how many people are there? புரியுதா என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்னு? எல்லாருக்கும் இந்த பாஷை புரியாது. ரைட். பட் செலக்ட் த பீப்புள், ஒன் ஆன் ஒன் கூட நீங்க எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணலாம். ரைட். அல்லது குரூப்ல 3 or 4 பீப்புள் வச்சு நீங்க எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணலாம். பட் மாஸ்ல போறது வேலைக்கு ஆகாது. ஸ்கிரீன்ஷாட் எடுத்தவங்க உடனே குரூப்ல நீங்க போடுறது, நான் போட்டிருக்கேன் உங்களுக்கு, யாரெல்லாம் எடுக்கலையோ அவங்களுக்காக தான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பட் டோன்ட் try to do this. They will not understand. They will not understand. Am I right, Manjunath sir?
Yes.
Right. So screenshot எடுத்துட்டு நான் குரூப்ல போட்டேன், சத்தியமா புரியாது. முதல்ல டவுன்லோடே பண்ண மாட்டான் நம்மால. டவுன்லோட் பண்ணாலும் அந்த ஆளுக்கு புரியாது. புரியுதா? தெரிஞ்சுக்குவாங்க.
And also, if they are not understand, they will not even ask you what it is.
Right. Why they will not ask you? Because they themselves they don't know what to ask. That is the situation, right? It's not problem, it's a situation. So anyways, so I think we got a lot of information on the presentation வந்து மஞ்சுநாத் நமக்கு அனுப்புவார் நான் முழுமையா நம்புறேன், ரைட்? ஸோ அனுப்புனதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் வந்து அவர் சொன்ன ஒரு விஷயம் மஞ்சுநாத் கிளியரா சொன்னார். whatever I'm doing right now, it's a general one, but second session is also there, third session is also there, which I will give it to you, where you have to work with those people, only directors and above. Selected people, if you work, you will get results. And with that results, duplication will happen. That's what Manjunath sir taught me. Right? I'm blindly following him, whatever he is telling. It's as clear as that. Right? So my dear friends, அடுத்த ஒரு விஷயம் distribution point குள்ள அவரோட நேரம் நமக்கு அடுத்த மாசம் தான் கிடைக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அடுத்த மாசம் கிடைக்கும்போது distribution point. See, I'll tell you one thing. Highest distribution point open பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கிற மாநிலம் state is Karnataka. It's Karnataka. Per month, 100 plus distribution point. Every month, month after month, 100 distribution point open. You will not believe. New joinees, they are planning and they are going for new distribution point. Right? The way it has been trained for last 3 to 4 years, right? It has been drilled down. It's been drilled down. கீழ வரைக்கும் அது போயிருக்கு. ஜாயின் பண்ண அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே கிளியரா தெரிஞ்சிருக்குது என்னன்னா டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் பாயிண்ட் இருந்தா தான் பிசினஸ். இது ஒரு விஷயம் இருக்குது, டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் பாயிண்ட். ஸோ அதை பத்தி நமக்கு அழகா அடுத்த இதுல எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுவாரு. அன்டில் தென் அடுத்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம். அது வரைக்கும் உங்கள்கிட்ட விடைபெறுவது நான் உங்கள் பழனியப்பன். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் மஞ்சுநாத் சாருக்கு ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய பாராட்டு நம்ம எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து மறுபடியும் கொடுத்துடலாம். உங்களுக்கு மஞ்சுநாத் சாருக்கு நமக்கு நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நமக்கு கொடுத்தாங்க.
Thank you everyone. Thank you Pranesh.
Thank you Manjunath sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.